Okay. Uh, my project is about performance on self-compacting concrete using ground granulated blast furnace slag. This is a study and compare about conventional concrete and modified concrete for the different strength characteristics. It is to find out the compressed strength of the concrete, and we added some Ggbs in 10 percentage, 20 percentage, and 30 percentage only. These are literature reviews. Literature review means same thing about same side of my another project, and this is methodology. Materials used in my projects: Ggbs, cement, sand, polypropylene fiber, admixture, and these are calculations about specific gravity. This is fine aggregate reading I got, and sand reading. These are all images for tested that readings. Sand test, specific gravity for coarse aggregate, sieve analysis of fine aggregate, sieve analysis of coarse aggregate, then bulk density calculation for sand, for sand and sand, bulk density for coarse aggregate. These are all pictures, and we added in mixed proportion 90 percentage of cement, 10 percentage of Ggbs, sand plus SP means super plaster, that is Conplast SP 430. We added a chemical 0.5 percentage. Like that we have done. We have added 10%, 20 percentage, 30 percentage Ggbs in our concrete. This mixed design calculation. And we got mixed ratio M40, mixed ratio 1:6, 1.6 to 3:9. These are all material qualities for proportions P1, P2, P3. We got it like this. These are curing dates of my concrete. We have done concrete now. Curing dates for this, and these are all age of cubes and compressive strength. For compressive strength 7 days, 90 percentage, 80 percentage, 70 percentage cement. For 90 percentage, 10 percentage Ggbs was used. For 80 percentage, 80 percentage cement, 20 percentage Ggbs were used. For that compressive strength was came. For 7th day readings, 14th day reading, and 20th day reading. And we have done self-compacting concrete method for V funnel and L box, and we have got maximum flow second for V funnel is 45 seconds, and maximum flow second for L box is 0.86. And in this project, its conclusion is about By ground granulated blaster and slag, a polypropylene fiberglass admixture complex SP430 were added in concrete to increase the strength. To find out the difference between conventional concrete means normal concrete, and the modified concrete. Modified concrete means we have added that substance as an admixture. These are the comes around modified concrete. So conventional concrete and normal concrete, we find out the difference between the different strength about this. So by comparing the result of conventional concrete with normal concrete, it is found that 70% used cement and 30% used Ggbs got more compressive strength, high compressive strength in the modified concrete. We got in result we got modified concrete is the higher strength than the normal concrete, conventional concrete. It means these are references. Okay, thank you. And I am student of Weltech University, final year project. Thank you.